Today we're going to work on the fuel filter. So I'm going to do the replacement for the fuel filter. I bought one brand new off eBay, which is a Volvo filter, and I'll definitely show you what that looks like here real soon. But at this point, that's what we're doing today. It was under the car. This is on the passenger side, front rear tire. It's just north of under there. So some of the shavings that were around indicate to me, and they're like paper shavings, that this was factory. So if I go straight up from here, we're going to see, there it is. There's the fuel filter. You're going to see, if I go just south of that, yep, you're going to see a Schrader valve, and then you're going to see some quick disconnects on there. The paper was wrapped around there to sort of keep it watertight, or anyways, keep some dirt out of there. So that's what we're going to do. And I have a drip pan, and I will show you the part number I have for the fuel filter for my 011 XC90. And I got some electrical tape, and I got a drip pan, as you can imagine, just so I don't get fuel all over the place. See you real soon. So here's what I've done so far. I took a 10mm wrench, and there's a bolt that comes right up through here. I loosen that bolt. I have sprayed some degreaser on both sides of the quick connects, just to kind of clean up the area. Just as you can see, the Schrader valve looks like a bike pump or a bike tire. Pressing the needle, I'm going to depressurize the system, and just to minimize the leaking once I do the quick connects. The fuel squirt coming out of the bike is, out of the Schrader valve, very minimal. I thought there would be a lot more. We'll see what comes out of the disconnects. Well, here's the old fuel pump. Came out super easy on the disconnects. Again, not as much fuel as I anticipated coming out of this unit. There is a lot that comes out of here, or a good amount. Obviously it's pretty much full, so other than that, I'm ready to put on a new one. So here it is, just ratcheting up the final, tightening it up on the bracket. And what I'll do, I'll let it preload, meaning I'll not start it, but I'll try to prime it in the ignition 2 position for a few times, just kind of load the system back up to get fuel closer to the injectors, and then I'll fire it up, see how it goes, check for any leaks. Well, I hope this was helpful. Certainly I don't get to do too many of these changes, but this one worked. Fired up, gave it 3, make sure it preloaded in position 2 within the ignition. Once I turned it, fired right up. Another successful thing. Hey, I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned to many more as I work on this 011 XC90.